Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Yeah, Doge has rallied quite substantially from the support zone here after we highlighted the potential that a low is in after 5 waves down in wave C of 2. Performance looks decent, yeah. Price extended quite a bit. It's a pretty clear 5-wave move to the upside here. It was a pretty clear 5-wave move to the upside that we can identify there now from the low. This here was already a potential 5-wave move. It formed one more high, which is at the moment just an extension, as far as I can tell. Of course, I mean, I cannot rule out that this is like a 1-2-1-2 setup. I have to say the microstructures are too small for that. I'd rather highlight the risk in this case that we have to give it space all the way down to 32.5 cents. But please note, it is possible that this is a 1-2-1-2 setup. For the 1-2-1-2 setup, I have the blue target area, or blue support area, I should rather say, on the chart. This means we have two support areas to watch. I cannot rule out that all of this is a wave 1. You know, I can't say it's 1-2-1-2. It's not so important. The bottom line is the trend is up at the moment. The trend is up. And the trend is up as long as the market holds above the 78.6 retracement. I mean, that's really important. That's key. And as long as we are holding above that level, I'm watching for higher, and I'm watching for the market to reach the next larger degree upside targets, which we also talk about on the larger time frame, in the larger time frame analysis. But overall, they are 48 cents and 59 cents. This would be the next roadmap. Yeah, especially here for next roadmap target, for Circle 5 especially, 60 cents would be ideal. In the short term, this move up doesn't really have much structure, but I'd like to call it a 5-wave move. Then we had a 3-wave pullback. That keeps the door open for higher. But the rally that we had, if we really want to dive into the microstructures, the rally that we had from the intraday low is also in 3 waves. So I think this might actually be a B wave. A wave down, B wave up. All I'm saying is there is a chance that the price could test this support zone. Why specifically this one? It's between 36 cents and 37 cents. It's subject to change, but as long as this intraday high stays intact, there's a chance for a C wave decline into this area and a reaction here. All I'm saying is if we get there, we can pay attention to this area. Maybe the market will react and start a 3rd wave rally from there. Okay, if we break below this area, then this is the support area to watch, just for a wider wave too. Yeah, this is simply the first support zone to watch. And if it's a 1-2-1-2 setup, then the invalidation point is this swing low at 34.8 cents. But please note, oops, didn't want to do that. But please note that below that level, we don't have invalidation of the overall bullish thesis, which is why I said the bottom line is, as long as we're holding above 32.5 cents, the focus is on higher prices. Even though you might want to be more aggressively bullish, then yeah, for sure, you can use that red line. But please note that just below that, so in this, again, 34.7 cents, just below that level, we've got the golden ratio level, the 61.8 retracement, which is the next support level. So even if it breaks maybe this red line, it might just start from there. So if you then get stopped out, for example, because you want to set a tight stop, you need to be quick. You need to have a rapid response, basically. You need to be flexible enough to then add a position again when it's clear that the market is turning around from a lower support level. But overall, yeah, looking good for Doge. The next resistances, we talked about the next targets, but in terms of structural resistance, let's add the VRVP. That can help sometimes to develop or identify areas where the price might get a bit choppy. So that's exactly here. That's around this 38 cent area. We have a bit of a spike there. If we just look at this visible range, we have a bit of a spike here, exactly where we're now, which is why the price is slowing down there. Well, breaking above it, I mean, I have to zoom out further. Breaking above it, So breaking above it reveals the next cluster around 41 cents. So around 41 cents, we have the next, let's say, area of historical volume. It's not the point of control, which is down here, which is the highest volume, which is where the price found support down there most likely. So there could be some resistance then at around 41 cents. But if the wave count is correct, the market should break above this cluster as well. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.